Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use texture by using found objects. Using things like embossed wallpaper, paper, bubble wrap, string, anything with a slight texture will work. The following film you're going to see was filmed at Bristol Folk House during one of my classes. I hope you enjoy. Right, so I'm going to show you a technique of using texture and tone within your work by using found objects. So you can use things like bubble wrap, embossed wallpaper, anything with a texture that you can use either to create really nice background which you could introduce in multiple block linos, or you can use it within its own right. So I've inked up the plate. And I've got some pieces of wallpaper, and you're just going to layer them on the plate. Bit of cut out shape of a bit of newsprint on there, and oops, let's cut that out, a bit wider than I expected, and some bubble wrap. So you lay your texture on the plate first, and then you pop your paper down. I'm just doing this by eye. And then you need to tape one side down. That'll be clear in a moment. And then you print it how you normally print it. So remember to put the layers or the padding onto your plate. And pass it through. And this technique works better with a press. I love that noise. It works better with a press. I've tried doing it with hand burnishing, but you need to put a lot of pressure on it, and you're more likely to make everything blurry. So carefully remove the padding. And then you need to be really careful here, because you don't want to move the plate. And then you remove all the texture. Can you see? You can see the texture on there. Oh, it moved. Just going to do a little finger mark there. And then you need to print it again. So lower the paper. And pass it through. You won't have a funny noise this time round. And then hopefully it's picked up all the texture. Yeah, you can see all the texture. And it's simple as that, so you can play around with different patterns or just play around with tone. Just create really interesting backgrounds.
Lovely, thank you.